Hi everyone, today we will see the making process of quilling typography or letters. Draw the rectangles of equal size. Then we will draw the letters of about 1 cm thickness with the help of ruler. If you have printer, then you can print your desired letters and then trace them on your paper. But I generally prefer to draw with the hands only. Now erase the side grids of rectangle. Now you can draw the design of your choice. I always love the floral theme, so I prefer to draw the flowers of different types. You can make your own designs by the rough drawings. Now I have finished with my design. Now I will paint this design with the help of watercolors. Generally I don't paint the design, but this time I have found this new technique because of which the design looks more beautiful and more deep. Try to paint very carefully so the colors won't go inside the letters. Now I have done with painting my design. Now make the edges of the letter deep with some sharp tool. This will help in doing the edge work of the letters. Now, while doing edge work, always prefer to take the thick paper. I have taken the drawing paper and cut down the 5 mm strips for this edge work. First, I will do the inner portion and then the outer portion of the letter. Use the tweezers while folding the corners of the letters. Now, using the same technique, I will do the outer portion like this. Now we will do the letter A. Generally straight letters are easy to do in comparison with the letters which have curves. When you find your strip short, then join another strip to it and do the remaining edge work. Now complete the second letter D like this. Now we will see how to make quilling on this painted part like this. First, we will make the open scrolls or swirls. For that, you have to just roll the paper of this tiny size and keep the ends open like this. Then we will use the crimping tool and make the strip crimped green strip. Now when we want to make the open loops, take your design and then take the measurement where we want to make the loop of that shape. Give the curvy shape with the help of fingers. Now we will use the yellow open scrolls for this upper portion. Now complete this by making more loops. Now we will use the crimped strip for this big leaf. Now we will make the inner portion by giving the curvy shape to the green strips. Complete the remaining leaf in the same way. Like the inner portion of these leaves, we have made this butterfly and these flowers like these leaves. Now we will make the rose. With the help of some curvy strips and open scrolls, we will make the rose. Continue in the same way to make the rose complete. By using the technique of making loops, I have made some water splashes in the lower portion of this typography. And yes, we have done with this project of quilling typography or letters. I hope you enjoyed this process, and if you like, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.